Hi, thanks for visiting Masseuse Massage, Australia's favourite place to buy massage chairs for over 10 years. We love massage, living life to its fullest, being healthy, we're product geeks and we're passionate about making people happy. My name's Michael and I'm the proud owner of Masseuse Massage, a family-run business that combines all of these passions into one awesome brand. We constantly search the planet for the best massage chairs and personal massages that can relieve pain and improve your health. We then go over and above to offer installation into your home and 5-star customer service to make sure we're making your world better every step of the way. For your peace of mind, we have the best warranty program in Australia. And on top of that, we have qualified service technicians in every capital city: Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide, Perth, Brisbane, Canberra, and Hobart. Our countless happy customers from more than 10 years in business are proof that we are succeeding in our mission. Our motto is to make the world better, but this is about you, our customers, and making your world and the world around you better. If you have health issues, suffer back pain, have some stress or tension, we would really love to help. So please call us now.